Jared Eck shares 5 tips to become a mechanical engineer. Jared Eck is an experienced mechanical engineer working with companies to design and develop machines that assist in the production of parts used on assembly lines. Read on to learn more about the day-to-day life of Jared Eck, the challenges he faces, and what his future plans are for his career and personal life. As someone who understands the importance of both machinery and people, he loves to travel, surf when he has the chance, and is currently learning how to become a private pilot in his spare time. In this article, we ask Jared about his job as an engineer, his love of traveling, and the skills it takes to be successful in his career path. In this article, Jared shares some of his life experiences and offers advice on what type of education to pursue in order to become a mechanical engineer like him. 1. Have an interest in math and physics. As an engineer, it's important to have an interest in math and physics because most engineering jobs require knowledge of these subjects. If you're not interested in math and physics, consider researching other engineering majors to find one that suits your interests. Regardless of your major, think about what you enjoy doing outside work and incorporate these hobbies into your day-to-day life. 2. Know your strengths and weaknesses. While we all have both strengths and weaknesses, most professionals spend their time polishing up their skills and overcoming deficiencies. After all, it's more important to be proficient in your role than it is to be well-rounded. But when you're looking for jobs or trying to take on more responsibility at work, you may benefit from learning how to play to your strengths while minimizing your weaknesses. 3. Increase problem-solving skills. Learning new skills can often be overwhelming and confusing, but it's important to take every opportunity you have to solve problems. In order to be effective in any field, you need to develop problem-solving skills that can be applied practically in day-to-day life. When you're working on your problem-solving skills, start small. 4. Use technology. You can use technology at your advantage when writing informative posts. Just remember that people read blogs for entertainment value, so avoid making your posts too technical. The invention of machines such as tractors and earth-moving equipment has changed how farming is done. Different parts of the machinery may be designed and manufactured by engineers working in various areas such as mechanical or electrical engineering. 5. Find a mentor. In your field, is there someone who inspires you? Someone you look up to as a role model? If so, reach out to that person. It doesn't hurt to ask for advice, and it could be just what you need to make your career dreams come true. Who knows, maybe your mentor can even help guide you through school and land that dream job after graduation.